Hello everyone, today I'm here with the topic SVF for vulgar fractions. You might be wondering what is a vulgar fraction. So let me go for it. First of all, vulgar fraction is those fractions. Vulgar fractions are those fractions whose denominators are other than 10, 100, 1000, etc. Or I may say in other language that fractions other than decimal fractions are vulgar fractions. The decimal fractions are those fractions whose denominators are 10 or powers of 10. That's called the decimal fractions. So vulgar fractions are those fractions in which the denominator should not be a 10, 100 or 1000. So those are called vulgar fractions. Now let's talk about SCF of vulgar fraction. So you have learned how to find the SCF of the integers. Today we are going to learn it how to find the SCF of the vulgar fraction, and I've taken one example in front of you, that is SCF of 15 and 24 and 3 by 8. So the required SCF will be SCF of the numerator divided by LCM of denominators. So this is the procedure to find the SCF of any fractions. So here SCF of numerator means I will find the SCF of 15 and 3, and that is the integers, and LCM of 24 and 8, again they are integers. And for finding out the SCF and LCM of integers, we already know the procedure, but still I'll tell you here. Is for finding SCF of 15 and 3, we have a smallest number 3. So you know the SCF cannot become more than 3. So either it will come less than 3 or 3. So here 3 is the factor of 15. 3 can divide 15. So therefore the SCF of 15 and 3 is the 3. Similarly, LCM of 24 and 8, we always see the greatest number because it cannot be lesser than greatest number. So here 24 is the greatest number. So LCM will be either 24 or greater than next multiple of 24. Now here if you see, the 24 is the multiple of 8 also. So it is the third multiple of 24. So because of that, LCM has come 24. So ultimately by reducing them, we got it here that 1 by 8 is the SCF of 15 by 24 and 3 by 8. So this way we have found the SCF of vulgar fraction. And please remember that SCF of any fraction will be always a fraction. Once again I am repeating, SCF of the fraction will be always a fraction. So don't forget for that. Now let me take another example. Here, suppose I need to find out the SCF of 1 and 2 by 3 and 7 by 6. So first of all, change this into a improper fraction. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 by 3 and 7 by 6. So the required SCF of these fraction. So required SCF is SCF of 5 and 7, SCF of 5 and 7, and LCM of 3 and 6. So since you know 5 and 7 are co-prime number, and co-prime number have always SCF 1. So here 1 SCF, and LCM of 3 and 6 are going to be a 6 because the 6 is the multiple of 3 also. So answer is 1 by 6. So this way we can find the SCF of any vulgar fraction, and the SCF of vulgar fraction is always a fraction. So what is the procedure to find the SCF of? That way, first of all, we are going to find the SCF of numerator and will be divided by LCM of denominator. Thank you very much.